How close are the clouds, people?
How close are clouds, fam? How close do you think, right? And
Not
then
93 billion miles away.
Right?
Like
not
they
at all.
claim the sun is.
So if the sun is what? If they claim the sun is 93 million miles away, would the sunbeams not be parallel? How would the sunbeams be shooting out of the clouds and below the clouds? And how come there's clouds that are dark in the front and clouds that are light in the back? The sun is in the clouds.
Yes.
And we're not spinning. Heliocentric theology says, he of hell who lies, sins, cheats, and tricks. Heliocentric. And it says that we're spinning 1,666 miles an hour.
We are.
They're pirating. Exactly. So
Pirates
they pirate our
dumber than
mind,
us.
and they're stupider than us, like we're going to be on a globe.
But
We're not
yet
on a ball of
we're
water.
following their movement.
And we're just following them. We're putting our kids in this school, which is government curriculum, to learn this heliocentric pseudoscience bullshit.
We're not saying take your kids out of school.
You
We're
have to
just
teach
saying
them the correct
live. Live, that's all.
and know who you are and where you stand.
Yeah, don't
Study
be controlled.
geocentric Earth.
Don't be controlled.
Because those sunbeams, look at how they're coming out from that cloud. Look at the clouds behind it all super white and bright. And then look at the clouds in front of it all dark. The sun is right there. And the way the sunbeams are showing you that we're on a plane. And then look at the colors of water of the sky. And obsidian glass rock. That's the same exact color. That could be water, densified, oxygen and hydrogen water.
But how are we a floating
Expansions. Bubble? There's no space. It's stationed.
No, but if you guys say
no
it's water
external.
out there.
There's a floating. How is there a water's expanded
then Earth
from
would
the?
Be...
Something happened where sound. They say God said, if God said, let there be the waters from above separated from the waters below. That's sound, obviously. So some sort of frequency sound separated these waters and made this torus field bubble or this flat expansion foreverness. We don't know. We don't have a map. All we know is that we're not monkeys spinning on a ball in an infinite vacuum space. How would a ball of fire be burning if it was
for that long
with no oxygen? You need oxygen to burn. If space is a vacuum, how would it even work? And if we're spinning, where's the vacuum seal? Where's the vacuum seal? It's just real simple. You can teach it to kids.
Space all the way. You just ruined my
I
whole
know.
life.
It's not me not believing you. No, see what I mean? It's not about, okay, here, space could be anything though. Space could be the energies and frequencies and telekinetic powers that we have.
I just want to know what it is out there.
Space is a Hollywood basement. Like the Red Hot Chili Peppers or whoever they say. California, like, you know, space was made in a Hollywood basement. So yeah, they manipulate our minds, and then NASA does stuff in underground pools and CGI video footage and stuff. And me and you have the software on our computer. We can make it look like we're in space right now in the truck. We can make it look like we're floating in the vacuum space. And remember, they make fisheye lens because we work at the glass shop, so the fisheye creates this curve of a plane. But if you use a regular camera, you can go up 120,000 feet high.
It'll just be straight.
And it's just a straight ocean. Like water is, there's no test you could do, because that's what a hypothesis is. You should be able to observe and redo a test anywhere. You shouldn't have to do all these crazy physics and these pies and these crazy numbers. It's just mind controlling.
Yeah, symbolism.
Yep, they're controlling with symbolism again, mathematics and numbers, because you don't learn what Matt does with that sacred geometry.
I want some of his drawings.
Think about geocentric Earth. Geometry. Sacred geometry, geocentric. So we don't really know what's at the middle. And universe means the verse of you within. Verse of you within. So it's like
None
internal.
of it matters. None
It's
of that
outer
matters.
space. When you think outer space, think of inner space.
Why are people studying it still?
Exactly.
Because they want to know what the truth.
Everyone's trying to find the truth.
But they're trying to find the truth based off of lies.
Exactly. Pirates. You guys got to wake up to this. Look at the sunbeams. Follow the sun. It'll teach you. Peace out. Much love.